For some reason I have this gap, and I'm not sure whether this is the correct steering column for this car. I'm sort of a bit perplexed as to why I've got that gap there. If we look over here, there's a reference to a shear bolt. I've replaced the shear bolt. I've put an 8mm, probably about 30mm long. It's an 8mm metric cap screw, so it's got a 1.25 pitch on the thread, and I have it installed now, and it's loose. And look at this. Just get a bit more. There we go. Look at that. So basically, if you want to reduce the gap between the steering wheel and the column, that's what you need to do. That shear bolt, either replace it and put an 8mm cap screw in there, tighten it right up, and that will then take away the gap that you get between your steering wheel and the column. So I suggest that what's happened is, over time, that whole mechanism has creeped down on the steering column, and that gap's got bigger and bigger and bigger. So if any of you guys have the same issue where the gap is a lot bigger in your steering, under your steering wheel like I did, that's all you got to do is just put an 8mm cap screw in where that shear bolt is, and that's it. It's all fixed. So that was quite a simple fix, really. I was very fortunate in the sense that I didn't have to remove the steering column. I was able to install everything in situ. You guys, if you have to do the same thing, you might find it you'll have to end up pulling the steering column out and removing all the shroud so that you can get into that shear bolt, and then grind it away. Another method might be to drill a small hole and try and put an easy out in it and use the easy out to unscrew that shear bolt. Then you can just install an 8mm by 1.25 by about 30mm in length cap screw, and then you can just use your Allen key to screw the thing right into place and adjust it as necessarily. I hope that this video has helped a few people out there. I certainly struggled with trying to figure out what the problem was with this, and it turned out to be quite a simple fix. So if this saves anyone out there a little bit of time, then it makes me happy, because I don't mind sharing what I've learnt with you guys. And yeah, if you enjoy watching what I do, then don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to click like, and feel free to comment. I'm always happy to reply. Alright guys, catch you later. Bye.